Hey Trent, so my name's Brianna. I'm with Chipmunk SEO, and I wanted to reach out to you today because I had been doing some research on your website here, and I wanted to give you some free tips on ways that you can optimize your website and start pulling in more customers from online. So, you may be asking why I'm going to be giving you this free video, why I'm taking the time to do it. Lucky for you, I read minds, and the answer is I understand that business owners are really busy trying to keep that business successful and growing, and they don't have time to sit down and learn the tools of the internet or learn all the new updates that seem to come out every single day. So I just wanted to offer my services here and see what I can help you with for free, and maybe we can go down the road from there. So the first thing I wanted to bring up is content. Content are all of the keywords that you have on your website, just all of the information. So all of these words, even though the images that you've got, those are going to be how the files are saved. Those are words that are going to show up and Google's reading through them. Now you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage, which we are really short of. You're lucky if you've got, I would say, even 200 on here. It's really low. But the good news on that is that your competition has the same thing. Very few words on the website. So it's going to be easy to outrank them on our Google here. And then the next thing I wanted to show you is we have this free tool, and it's called SEO Quake. And this actually just kind of gives you information about how you're doing on your search engine optimization. It also talks to you about all of your keywords that you have. And these are keywords that people are going to be searching by. So you want to be at the top. You want to have services, restoration, but I also wanted to bring up another keyword I noticed you guys don't really rank for. Home remodel. If you Google home remodel Anchorage, you guys aren't on the first page. But Grayling Construction is right at the top, and that's why I included them, because I know you're an emergency home remodel company, and you guys do great work, and you deserve to be at the top of the page here. So adding in some of that content, changing around your keywords is going to help. There's another tool here I have called Ahrefs, which shows all the different backlinks that you have going to your website compared to Grayling Construction or any other website. Now, Grayling has organic keywords of 26. They have a low traffic count of 12. You guys, 31. So you're outranking on the keywords. You've got a lot better organic traffic, which is great. Just for the trust with Google, I would say be adding more keywords and more content into your website here. You can have all your pages ranking, and we could get you to the first page of Google on all of them. When you search home restoration Anchorage, because of restoration being in the title of your company, you guys do rank really well on there. But even scrolling down on restoration, you'll see that your website still isn't popping up on the first page. Now, we have mention of it on Facebook. This is good. This is one of those backlink citations I was talking about. But we still don't have your actual company showing up on the first page. That should be an easy one for you to steal with restoration being in the title. I want to make sure you guys can get that changed. We also have things called Link Juice, which can just help with boosting the backlinks that you have. Link Juice, simply put, it means that Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like the link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. Now, with your competition, the only thing that they're beating you on is just those keywords. I would go ahead and change those out. Just a quick reminder on going through. So content, you need the 1,500 words on this homepage here. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 to beat out the competition by a landslide. And then you can also get things like Link Juice to add it in. You have your free tools, SEO Quake, that you can go ahead and use just to constantly compare and see how you're doing and outranking to the others. Now, there are 73 opportunities for citations that can be added. You're still outranking Grayling when it comes to citations. So if we go down here, you can see that Grayling, which is going to be the third row, you guys are pretty comparable when it comes to citations, but you've got about 10 more than they do. And I want to make sure you guys can get those changes done. So you can either go with the information I provided you today and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can go ahead and give me a call at 907-205-7209, and I'd be more than happy to finish discussing this with you and maybe give you some more tips. So once again, my name's Brianna, and my number is 907-205-7209 for Chipmunk Construction, and I'd love to hear from you.